If you have been posting videos here on the street of YouTube and you are having low views, low subscribers, maybe your viewers are less than 500 or less than 1000 views, definitely they are doing something wrong. It's either you didn't turn off some settings or you didn't turn on some settings. If you're a new YouTuber, this video will definitely benefit you because you should set these things before posting your videos. Then if you have been making posts here on YouTube, also adhere to these instructions. It will definitely help your old videos which are posted and the new ones which you will still post. Hello guys, it's your girl Unique. If you are just coming across my channel, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. On this channel, I teach tips, tricks, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. And if you're an upcoming content creator, this channel is for you. I already have a channel where I have over 40,000 followers. So this is a new channel which I just created for content creators and people who want to make it big here on the YouTube channel. So on this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn on and how to turn off some settings in order to get views, in order to get subscribers and get engagement on your videos. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, also share this video so others will benefit the same way you are doing. Without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. Guys, if you want to learn how to create your own YouTube channel, I would advise you to watch this particular video. It's on my channel to guide you on how to create a new YouTube channel. Also watch this particular video. It will help you to input some certain information to set up that YouTube channel. So let me put you through on the things you have to turn on and turn off. Go to your Google Chrome, tap on the search box. Once you tap on it, type YouTube Studio Dashboard. YouTube Studio Dashboard, and this is how it will be. So tap on this login. You can see it. Tap on login. It will bring you to your page like this. You can see how it is. All right, this is the YouTube Studio, but this is the one on the Chrome side. Then scroll down on the left side. You will see this icon settings. Tap on it. Then next thing you should tap on is upload defaults. Upload default. After tapping on upload default, scroll up. These are the things you have to set up. So I advise you to pay attention here. On visibility, tap on visibility. We have public, private, and unlisted. I would advise you to tap on private. The reason why you select private is before your post will be published, it will be on private. If you have copyright, YouTube will tell you have copyright because you selected that video should be on private. But if you don't select private and just push it that way and you have copyright claim, they will flag that video. So select private. You understand? Select private or unlisted. Private is same thing with unlisted, but on my channel what I selected is private. After posting my video, I can now change it to public. You understand? So select private. The next thing we'll be doing now is to go over to advanced settings. You can see it, advanced setting. Then scroll up, you will see category. You can see category there. Tap on category. Then what is category? Okay, what they mean by category is the kind of videos you'll be pushing. We have none, cars and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment. If you're into cars and vehicles, you can select that. If you're a comedian, select it. If you're a tutor, select it. Entertainment, you understand, gaming. These are the options you have. If you're a musician, you're into politics, you're a blogger, these are the options you will select. But because I teach people how to do different things, I selected how to and style. How to and style. That's what I selected. So if your video is on coaching, select how to. And over here we have video language. I selected United States. The reason why you should select United States is that's the most used language and that's the language you are picking. That's what you are speaking. You understand? You speak English. So select English, United States. Then you come down again. Another point is comment. If your comment section is turned off, I will advise you to turn it on. You need communication. When your subscribers engage by commenting on your video, it will make your video to get engagement and also make your video to get visibility. The next option you should look at is show how many viewers like this video. This option, if you turn it on, like if you tick it good, it means that your viewers or your subscribers will see your like count. They will know many people that like this video. Please turn it off. turn it off, remove this good inside that box, turn it off this way. People have this mentality of if they see more likes you have, they won't like the video. So it's better you off it than to leave it on. For me, I turned mine off. Next thing you should do is to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you select channel. Okay, select channel. Then in channel, once you tap on channel, you have these keywords. Do you see it? If you watch closely, you notice I have online business, YouTube monetization, blah blah blah. These are the keywords that will help you to get search. If people are searching for your channel and they type this kind of thing, your channel will pop up. So try to type in some keywords, the kind of topics you treat on your channel. After that, select on advanced settings. Then on this advanced settings, you just scroll up. Make sure that on this option they said, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? It means it's your channel for kids. If you don't teach things like cartoon or kiddies things, I would advise you to select no. It's not meant for kids. That second one I selected, select it. So they will not be pushing it to children or people that watch kiddies channel. All right, the next option we'll be looking at is automatic caption. Please try to select the automatic caption. Yes, that box, tick it, okay? The reason is as you talk, the algorithm will just interpret it for people so they can read on the screen. So we have advertisements, you can see it there. Don't select that box. Don't select it. For people that are hungry for monetization, that is not how you get your monetization. Just leave it that way. It's for people that want to run ads. So if you want to do a sponsored ad, you can select it. But if you think that's how you get your monetization, it won't work. So just leave that box. All right. So we'll be moving over to clips. And see, just scroll up. You see clips. It says allow viewers to clip my content. Don't tick on it, because if you tick on it, people can use your content on their channel and you will get copyright claim. You will not gain originality again. So don't tap on it, just leave it like that. Then we have third party training. Yes, tick on third party training. You know this AI, AI, artificial intelligence is trending now. So tap on it. In case there is any website that wants to give reference to your topic or to channels like yours, what they will do is they will use your own channel as well. So when tap on it, select all third party companies and save. Okay, once you're done with that, click on save, and all these settings, everything you just set up will save. The next place we'll be clicking is on community moderation. So just click on community moderation, and under automated filters, don't select anything, just scroll up until you get down. Okay, on the down part where they wrote blocked words, if you tap on blocked words, you're going to insert those words some subscribers or some bypassers that come across your channel. At times they drop links. At times they just say useless word like this video was not helpful. You wasted my. There's some comments that are just provoking. So what you do is click on block links so they won't be able to attach any link on your comment section. Then this kind of words like this video is not true, you are not telling the truth, useless video, that kind of comment, just key them inside here in the box. You can see it there. The algorithm will just spam the comment. Those kind of comments won't appear on your comment section. Once they impute it, automatically it will be removed from your comment section. After setting up all these things I showed you, next thing you should do is to click on save, and that is all. Don't forget to implement this. It will definitely help you. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, also share this video so others will benefit the same way you are doing.